So Duck and Percy left. When Thomas was by himself, every sound and every shadow was spooky. He was beginning to feel very scared.
There's no such thing as ghosts,
he said nervously.
Who's there?
Thomas was so busy looking for ghosts, he didn't watch where he was going. The chains felt like ghost fingers.
Something's got me!
Thomas wheeshed and set off an old steam whistle.
Ghost whistle,
said Thomas, and he raced away as fast as his wheels could carry him.
The ghost engine is after me!
It was naughty of Thomas to tease you, Percy, said Duck. He was only playing, said Percy. I hope he hurries up. I wouldn't want him to be late for the fireworks.
He's after me!
I don't think he'll be late, said Duck. Duck and Percy joined the other engines for the fireworks. Where's Thomas? Percy asked. He'll miss all the fun. It would serve him right after all his teasing, Duck said. But Percy was worried. He went to look for his friend. He found Thomas all alone in the shed. Are you all right, Thomas? He said. Yes, I'm sorry I teased you, Percy, Thomas said. Duck was right. We all feel scared sometimes. And we all have to say sorry sometimes, said his friend. So come on, Thomas. We can watch the fireworks just as well from here. And he was right.